Now, since it's Halloween, it's natural that you'd apply some marketing techniques such as pop-up ads, or notification bars with coupons, or other common promotional practices. But let me give you 3 unique promotional ideas that you can apply, and this will certainly let you grab more attention of the buyers than the usual stuff that you do. One idea you can use is that you can give a special gift to someone who purchases a certain amount at a single go. Let's say someone buys a lot of products that totals to over $500. In that case, you can give him a special Halloween gift box from your site. So this could be marketed around on your homepage that purchase this amount, then you'll get a special gift box from us. Another unique idea you can use is you can run a lottery draft so that anyone who purchases a certain amount gets to be part of the lottery. Let's say anyone who has purchased over $100 from your site, he gets put into this lottery, and after the Halloween is over, you can announce a winner and send a special gift. This will create a good buzz among your buyers, and they'll be curious to see when again you create such a lottery in the future. Another unique activity you can do is you can run a point-based competition for a special prize. Let's say anyone who buys some product, for every dollar he spends, he gets a point. And at the end of Halloween, whoever has the highest point will be noted as the winner. In fact, you can name the top 3 as the winner and give them special gifts such as a special coupon for the next month, or maybe a gift box, which you will highlight to everybody else that these 3 were the winners because they spent the most. In that case, in future, if you run similar promotions, people will be more eager to buy more products from you. So if you do intend to run this sort of promotions, you have to take some extra steps, such as sending your existing subscribers emails about these promotions, or you can use pop-up ads to come up in the homepage whenever someone visits your page, so that they get to know that you're running this sort of promotion. Even you can create a static area beside the top menu bar where it will always be there saying that buy more and get some points and get a prize, things like that. Alright, so basically you have to make sure that it stands out to your buyers that you have such a special promotion going on, and buyers should be buying more if they want some special prize. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.